TikTok haul, Popcolor makeup. Yes, I did it again. And I even did it again. All right, let me show you what I got. Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So, I hauled some more stuff from TikTok, from Popcolor makeup. And it took about 3 weeks for me to get this order. Okay, they sent it in a box. It depends on what you order too. And you know, every day they have specials, y'all. Look, I'm not affiliated. I'm just sharing stuff I like. And they are on TikTok, but they have a website. So you have to follow them on TikTok to watch their lives. They go live every day, and they have specials every single day, and they have new products all the time, y'all. Always some new products, always specials. So this was like a special that they had the day that I ordered this. You get a palette and I think 13 items or something like that. So this is, you know, how they, well, this, yeah, how it was sent. Okay, so you get, you know, the bag of stuff. I did get a couple more repeats, which again, I told you I didn't like that. So the next order that I have coming, I told them absolutely no eyeliners. So I watched a girl pack it on the live, and she did not put any eyeliners in. Thank God, because I got enough for the rest of the year, and probably even next year, okay? So, again, it came with, oh, sorry about the noise, y'all. Let me put this on the floor. I don't think I'm editing. So, it came with the palette, and this one is called Gemstones. Gemstones of Gold. So that's what it looks like. All right, so I'm opening. Never opened it before, so this is the first time I'm seeing it with y'all. I wanted to, you know, wait till I come on here with y'all. All right, to share this. They have some really cute palettes, y'all. In all colors, textures, everything. So if you love makeup like I do and beauty products, you should definitely check out Popcolor makeup on TikTok, okay? And I will leave their website. Yeah, the website is gonna, I'm gonna leave it in the description. So, again, it comes with 48 colors, and the name of this one is Gemstones of Gold. So every day that they go live, they have different palettes, because sometimes the palettes sell out, so they have other ones to come in. So chances are you won't get two of the same palettes ever, you know, because once they sell out, say they sold out of this one, well, that's long gone, and now they have something new. So let's go ahead and open this. Let's see. I can open this. I'm not really a beauty girl, but it's a little dusty. She got... Let me see. You know me and the smell. Nope, no weird smells, nothing crazy, and this is what it looks like. All right, so let me show you the colors. Beautiful colors. Absolutely beautiful colors. Right, gorgeous. A couple of glitters, some mattes, some shimmers. I love that. Oh, this one's so pretty. Look at that one. That's beautiful. Okay, let's see. Let's do a little swatching here. I love that. Here, let me try to... Ooh, let's see. I always do this wrong, y'all. Wait a minute. Just a second. Let me try that again. Where is it? Okay. I'll swatch it better on the front. There we go. Okay, there we go. Ooh, that's pretty. I love that. Ooh. Yes, I love their eyeshadows, y'all. I love all their makeup, usually. Even the eyeliners, even though I got a few of them. I love the colors. Beautiful colors. This is gorgeous right here, too. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Okay. So I've loved all of the eyeshadows that I've ever received from them. Let's see. Let's try one more color. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Let's try this beautiful blue. We tried that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at her. Very pigmented, right? And smooth. Beautiful. So, pretty, pretty colors. Oh, I love. Wait, what's this gray one? That's a gray, honey. Let's try the gray. Let me see. Oh, look at that gray, like a silvery color. Oh, with the two of these, well, actually, these three together would look great. So, yeah. And it has a mirror in it, too. Right? Most of their compacts come, most of their eyeshadows come with a mirror in it. Most of them. And they do have some stuff that's FDA approved for the USA. All right? So, you know, but I haven't had any, I've used some stuff, and I haven't had any reactions or anything, but... You know, do your due diligence and figure it out for yourself. Because, you know, it is coming from China. So, yeah, there's that. And that's the name of it, Gems of Gold. Yeah, I love, they have a brand called Kevin and Coco, which I really like a lot. So, let's put that in the trash. Now, let's go through all of the other things that they sent. Let me get them out of the bag. Hold on. Let's see. I'm dumping them all out. Sorry. Ooh, sorry. Sorry, y'all. Now, I did get this one again. Oh, wait. Dropped it. Yeah, I did get this one again. Not happy. Because I told them no duplicates. Okay? Hopefully this is the last time I get this. But I'm probably going to end up giving them away. And then I get another one of these. So I got 2 of these in the last order. Right? Y'all, I don't know. It's going to go in a giveaway. So I'm not going to worry about it. But there's that. Usually you don't get duplicates because, you know, they pack it on live for you. But sometimes when they pick stuff, they just pick and they throw it in a bag. But you have to tell them when they're live what you want and what you don't want. You can say, I don't want any glitters. They won't put any glitters in it, you know, that sort of thing. Okay, so let's go over what was in this. Well, so these 2 came in there. These 2 eyeliners. This also came in there. Okay, it's little Vaseline. Little, I guess strawberry or berry. I think it's strawberry Vaseline. Like, what is this one? Let's see. I don't know what this one is. It is a mascara. It says it's a mascara. So, let's open it and see. I wonder, is it like a colored mascara? It says it's a, like a waterproof, I think. So, that's what it looks like. Oh, it's nice and big. Right? So, that's what it looks like. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Ooh, look at the brush. Okay. Nope, nothing weird. Nothing weird. Oh, okay. We're going to try that. All right. I love that. So let's keep that out of the box. All right. We're going to toss the box. Okay. So we'll keep that. Now, oh, look at this one. Heavy metal. Y'all, I don't really do glitter like that, but this is cute. Let me see. Can I open this? Or I'm going to have to... It's going to take 20 minutes to open it. Let me see. I don't want nothing that's going to take 20 minutes to open because I don't have that kind of time. Let me see if I can cut this open really quickly for you because I wanted to swatch this. Wait a second. Hold on. I'm trying to open it. Let me see. Can I open it? Oh, yay. There we go. Okay. Okay, look at that. Beautiful glitters. They are gorgeous. Like the chunky glitters, too. Let's try the pink. Let's see. Ooh. Wait, let's put it over this one. Let's see the pink. Let me see. Oh, okay. Well, if you want a glitter moment, it's very pretty. It's chunky. I don't know. I don't know if I'd ever wear it, but it's cute, right? Cute, 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 cute. And this one is, it's called just Heavy Metal. And that's what it looks like on the back. So, you know, you get different things with the different specials. You don't always, usually you don't get the same things because they have different products every day that they do their streams. And then this is, I guess, supposed to be like an eyelash curler and a foot of a doggy. So that's interesting. I don't know. I'll try and use it. We'll see. All right. Now, what is this one? This is supposed to be concealer. Okay. Wait, I don't have it right now. Like that. Okay, that's a concealer. All right. They do have information in English on the back. Okay, so let's open it. I don't know. It's probably white. Yeah, like I said. So, looks like that. I don't know. You know, under the eyes, it looks a little beige. But, you know, under the eyes, make it work. I mean, it's a little light, but see, look, it's really light. So let's blend it. Oh, I don't know. I figure once you blend it, it might be okay. I don't know. I don't know if I'd use it, but I have it. So we will see. Like, you can tell them you don't want concealer or foundations because they may not match. So, you know, just think about that when you watch the live streams. Okay, so this one is like a lip gloss. Like a gold lip gloss. Okay. This one came in there. All right, let's open that. Oh, it smells good, actually. Oh, it's pretty. Really pretty. All right, let's see. There we go. Try to show you my wait, that's probably better like this, right? Oh, God, I can't show it. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's just like a pink color. Oh, I like that. I love that. So I love that. All right, so for the price point, it was $29, $29.99. That's usually what I order when I order from them. And I like the variety, even though, you know, some of the stuff I probably won't be able to use, but more, I put it like this. When I get the stuff, most of it I can use with the exception of maybe 1 or 2 pieces. Okay, so the next order, I think I got I think it was buy one, get 20. So we'll see. Okay, so now this is a highlighter. Okay, that's really pretty. I can rock those. All right, that's what it looks like. And I think it's beautiful. So I got too many things. Oh, that's really pretty. Wow. So I'll put it right here on my knuckle. Right, you can see that. Oh, I did the middle one. Okay, the middle one. Oh, it's pretty. I love that. Oh, very pretty. Oh, I love that pink highlighter. Sorry about my hands, y'all. I have some, you know, I have the hands of an artist, so there you go. All right, so that's the highlighter that came with it. So it came with a highlighter, a lip gloss, this, and this, you know, all of these things, okay? And the palette, which I love. So far, so good. I like those items. Question about that. I did get this powder. I believe this is like a, I don't know what kind of powder this is, y'all. I think, oh, it comes with a compact. This is what the lid looks like. It comes with a compact. Oh, I guess it's like a luminous powder. I like that it has different colors, so that's cool. It goes on sheer, but it adds a luminous glow to your face. So that's cool. I like that. All right, we're going to try that. And I like trying different things, you know. And for the price point, it really isn't bad. You get to try some cool stuff, some unique items, and it's cool. So this is the lipstick, a lipstick by Kiss Beauty. Okay. Well, does it say lipstick? Yeah. Oil Control. Was it lipstick? I don't know what this is. No, it's not. It's no, it's not a lipstick. It's a super cover concealer. I thought it was a lipstick, so I don't know. This probably ain't gonna be my shade, but I don't think I'll try it if it's not my shade, because no, it's not. Because I can always just give it away. So that's what it looks like, right? We'll just open it for the purpose of the video here. Oh, well, I don't know. You know, smells really good. Yeah, I love that smell. So not bad. That's what it looks like. So I don't know. I might try that one. I might try this one as opposed to this one. You know what I mean? So there's that. And then there is this mousse lip mud. Okay, that's what it looks like. Sorry, y'all. I can try to hold it. All right, that's what it looks like. And then let's try this. Let's see. Let's open it. Oh, it's sealed. Just a second. Let me try to open it with the scissors, y'all. So I keep some scissors handy. All right, so, oh, what? Now, it doesn't look like that in the tube, right? Oh, look at that at the bottom, though. Oh, wait. Now, let's try. Oh, y'all, it is matte. Look at that. That's the color in there. I see. Huh? I got a little pop of color to my lips. I already have like a what do you call it? A gloss on. I was wearing the Juvia's Place gloss. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, she's pretty. I'm trying to look. Let me see. Let me look in the mirror. Make sure it looks good. Oh, I like that. Like that. We like. Yes, we like. Okay, so we like this. All right, so we're keeping that. Now we got a velvety matte lipstick. Wait, is it the right way? Okay, got that. All right, let's see. Let's open it. Oh, it looks like a MAC lipstick. All right, that's what it looks like. And oh, look at that. That's is this like a corally red? It's like a corally red. I had to put it under the light. I don't know if I'd rock that, but we'll see. I have some coral lipsticks that I bought from Revolution at TJ Maxx, and I love them. So I don't know. We may add this to the pile. So got that. All right. So I'm putting all the stuff on the side that I'm gonna keep, and then the stuff I'm probably giving away I'm gonna keep over here. So all right, and then I'm throwing that away because I'm keeping that. Now this is the last thing, I think. All right, this one's called, it's just lip gloss, but look at it's like a little fluffy lip gloss. Okay, that's the packaging it comes in. So let's open it. Like a little fluff. This is how it comes. So funny looking. Okay, you open it. All right, and then look at that one. That one's also very, very pretty. Oh, she's red. Oh, she's kind of like the other one. But it's a little bit deeper color. Yeah, a little bit deeper. Similar colors. So this is the one I put on my lips. And then this one that just came out. So this is a little bit deeper. Pretty. I love that. So for $29, y'all, this is a good amount of stuff. Even if, you know, for the things I couldn't use. So, but again, like I said, it's not always like that. You know, when you watch the live streams, you kind of have to continue watching because they always, every stream, they do something different, and every hour they do something different. So say like the first hour they have buy one, get 13 pieces. Okay, once that's over, then they do, you know, buy two, get 20 pieces. So, and then you get different things within those. So you have to kind of watch the live stream to see what it is that they have. They do show, you know, the colors and everything. And you, as long as you watch the live, when your order goes through, you can actually tell them what you want. You can say, I want, you know, this palette or that other palette, or no lipsticks or no eyeliner, whatever. So you just have to watch it to realize what's going on. And then you can order right there while you're watching the live stream, so they can read your order during the live stream and ask you what you want. Again, I'm not affiliated. It's just something I like to do. I think it's fun. They have great stuff. You know, there are other companies on TikTok who do that, but I follow Popcolor Makeup because it's one of my favorites. We'll throw that away. All right, so I'm very happy with all of my items that I got. This is all the stuff. See, look at that. Nice little assortment of goodies that I got. I love it. Yay. And some of this other stuff I'm just going to put in a giveaway. All right, so it's going to be a nice big giveaway. Maybe when I get to, I might do 100 subscribers here on this channel. I'd like to do 100 subscribers. Give a nice little giveaway for the 100 subscribers, all right? So if you have any questions or comments, please leave it below, and I'll answer and get back to you. All of my links are down in my link tree. Just click it, and you can see all the things I have going on. If you like art and crafts and jewelry making, please follow me on my other channel, Stephanie Garrett Creative. And thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.